Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 31 Trotters Field Run in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular house and garden gem with highly desirable one-floor living.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
The hallmark of this beautiful home is this charming courtyard entry. Your family and guests will feel very special upon entering this home. The charming foyer leads to this beautiful fireplace great room that is open to this amazing kitchen with custom hickory wood cabinetry and quartz countertops, plus hardwood floors too. That is open to the spectacular sunroom with three-sided wall of windows to take in those nature views and patio access. The first floor also has an entertainment-sized living room with another fireplace, opening to a dining room with a vent bay window. This first floor owner suite has it all, with a spacious bedroom, a super two-area walk-in closet, and a bath, with a double sink vanity with quartz countertops and a shower. The first floor also has a separate office or bedroom with an adjacent full bath and laundry. The charm continues upstairs with two spacious bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bath for family or guests, and lots of extra storage space too. The lower level has great storage and utility areas with an activity room and a workshop with a staircase leading to the garage for easy access. Great for all your hobbies too. This spectacular architect design home, which is very much admired by the community, is quality built and is evident in the details.
Enjoy the soothing sounds of nature from this charming slate stone patio overlooking the backyard, complemented with exquisite landscaping.
Trotters Field Run is a neighborhood of fine homes with easy access to everything that Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Show Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 31 Trotters Field Run in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!